Back injuries involving the spinal cord and discs are very common in auto accidents and other types of personal injury cases. A large percentage of the auto tort cases our firm handles involve some type of back injury claim. In this video, we will look at the typical compensation value for back injuries in personal injury cases. Back injuries include any injury involving the spinal cord, which runs from the back of the brain to the waist. The spine is comprised of a column of ring-shaped vertebrae bones with gel-like spinal discs in between that act like shock absorbers. Injuries to the back are so common in auto accidents because the spine takes most of the impact of the force of the collision. The amount of compensation a back injury is worth in an auto accident lawsuit depends on the type and severity of the back injury and the level of treatment it requires. Back injuries in auto accidents can be grouped into 3 levels of severity. Level 1 back injuries are relatively minor types of injuries, such as whiplash, sprains, and other soft tissue injuries that cannot be confirmed with diagnostic testing. Level 1 back injuries like whiplash are usually worth between $10,000 and $20,000 depending on how much treatment they require. Level 2 back injuries are more serious and include things like herniated disc injuries and pinched nerves. The median value of a Level 2 back injury in Maryland is around $70,000 to $100,000, again depending on the severity and the level of treatment. However, more serious disc injury cases can sometimes be worth 2 or 3 times the amount. The main factor that drives the value of disc injury cases is usually the level of treatment required. Level 3 is reserved for spinal cord injuries, which are the most severe type of back injury we see in accident cases. The most common spinal cord injuries are fractured or dislocated vertebrae. As long as there is adequate insurance coverage available, these cases can easily be worth $500,000 to $1 million. If you've suffered a back injury in an auto accident, call our office today to find out how much your case might be worth.